What if my company has expenses in Canada, such as travel expenses to close a sale? Can I claim back the GST? You kind of covered that in our previous example.
If you're registered, yes.
If you're registered, great point. If you're registered. We don't do a ton of work in Canada, but could potentially have a large project that would be greater than 30,000. We may not have another project for years. Do we have to register for this single project? Is it beneficial for us to go through registration for one project?
Offhand, I would say the minute you pass $30,000, if you're a non-resident importer, you have to register. We can look at your particular case to see if there's a loophole that we could maybe identify, but normally over $30,000 you have to.
Well, let me ask this question then in this case. So once they're registered, say this for this project, you decide they have to register as non-resident importer, they register for GST, they file the report, and then they don't have any other shipments for a year and a half. Is there still a quarterly report requirement, filing requirement?
Yes, once you register under GST, you have to remain registered for a year. Basically, you're going to file your report, but it's going to read 0000 all along the report, but it has to be filed, unfortunately.
And that's done online pretty simply, right?
It's done online. It's a very simple process. It takes 5 minutes. It's not.
What do you think? When you have new importers, especially non-resident importers, like we're talking about today, and they get registered, do you usually coach them through the first one, or does it take one or two and then they finally get the hang of it, kind of thing? Is it pretty easy after that?
It's very easy to start with.
Okay.
So yeah, we can walk them through it. It's a very simple process, but we usually do that. We'll walk the first or second one, and after that, they're really comfortable on their own.
Okay.